I got this black soap from a supermarket. It's a brand called Dudu black soap, and it has quite natural ingredients in it: palm kernel, coconut oil, and the likes. And there are no artificial preservatives. It's quite natural. That's why I like this brand, so I bought it. So first of all, we want to, since it's a bar soap and shampoo is obviously liquid, so we are going to be soaking the bar soap in water. You need a bowl, of course, and a cup of warm water. So I'm going to be soaking the bar soap in water for some time. A day to be precise, or maybe a day and a half. It depends on how long it takes to dissolve. But at least I have to soak it for a day so it can dissolve properly. So after it has dissolved, this is what it looks like. So this is the spoon I'm going to be using for measuring. Then I have my bowl of honey. This is natural honey, pure honey. I got it locally. It's just honey, original pure honey. Then this is a bowl of my oils, mixture of my essential oils: coconut oil, olive oil, and Jamaican black castor oil. So just mix everything into this bowl. And this is my bicarbonate of soda. I just got this from a baking shop. It's what they use for baking, so it's actually good for the scalp. It helps to relieve itching and also good for fighting dandruff, and it cleanses the scalp generally. And this is the bottle I'm going to be using to store the finished product. And of course, this is the bowl of my melted bar soap, black soap that I melted overnight. So first of all, I'm going to be stirring it so that any soap that settles mix. Then I'm going to be measuring in my honey. I'm going to measure in 3 spoons. This measurement is basically not accurate, but it's just like what I've been doing over time. So just usually use 3 spoons of honey. But of course, if you are going to be making a larger quantity, you have to use more quantity of honey too. Then I'm going to stir it in. Then I'm going to pour in my essential oils. I was quite generous with this, so you can be generous to your oil. So just pour everything in. Now I stir again to mix that in. Then I'm going to be measuring in my bicarbonate of soda. As I said before, this measurement is not accurate, so I just measured in like 3 spoons and just mix it well. You can just use your own discretion when you're measuring, basically. I just usually use 3 spoons. I guess I like the number 3. Then after measuring it in, I'm going to stir it in really well because it tends to form blocks down at the bottom. So I just mix it really well. Make sure it dissolves well in the soap. So I just keep stirring. And after stirring for a while, you can see it has blended in well and it's lathering up at the surface. And this is me just testing the consistency of the soap, and if you really just lather up, as you can see, it's lathering up quite well, and you won't have a problem while using it to wash your hair because it's still going to lather and it's still going to cleanse and wash your hair clean. Then I'm going to just stir again, and so this is the finished product. This is the finished black soap shampoo, and I'm going to be pouring it into my container. I'm going to be pouring it in. If you look closely, it looks quite thick in a way. The consistency is not as watery as you would think it would be. It's quite thick, I guess because of the honey and the oil, so it's quite thick. in consistency. Not overtly thick, but at least thick to an extent. So yeah, this is the finished product. It's my black soap shampoo. So yeah, and when you store the shampoo for over time, before you use it, make sure you just shake it well in case any product settles at the bottom. Before you use it, just shake it that your hair will get all the needed nutrients. Just shake it before you use. Shake well before you use, basically. I've been using this shampoo since I was a loose natural, and that's what I'm using now that I'm doing my dreads, and it has been working well for me, I tell you. This was my hair while I was a loose natural after I washed it with the black soap shampoo, and this is after I washed it with my dreads. As you can see, my hair was looking quite shiny and very black. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching.